Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Today I would like to talk about future simple tense. Future simple tense is very useful tense in our day-to-day life. Let us learn about it. When we decide to do something at the time of speaking, we use future simple tense. We use future simple tense when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. It means in the present. You are standing in the present, you are now in the present, and you are thinking about future. Let us learn with the help of some examples. Examples are here. Oh, I have left my mobile at home. I have left my mobile at home. I will go and bring it. So you have forgotten your mobile at home. Now you are in present. Now you are deciding to go back and bring that phone. So you can use, oh, I have left my mobile at home. I will go and bring it. मैं घर जाऊंगा और अभी मैं मोबाइल लाऊंगा. I will go and bring it. Second example, I am busy. I will meet you after 10 minutes. मैं अभी बिजी हूँ, आपसे 10 मिनट बाद मिलूँगा. I am busy now. I will meet you after 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, here you can notice that after 10 minutes is a time marker or future time. Okay, so we have next week. Few examples are here. Next week, next month, tonight, in June, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, soon, later, on Monday, after 10 minutes. These are the time markers. So here, I will meet. You can notice that will plus meet. Will plus meet. Will is, helping verb, and meet is V1 form, or we can say base form or first form of the verb. So here, I will meet you after 10 minutes. I will meet you next week. I will meet you next month. We can use like this. I will meet you after 10 minutes. I will meet you next month. I will meet you next week. I will meet you tonight. I will meet you in June. I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you day after tomorrow. I will meet you soon. I will meet you later. I will meet you on Monday. I will meet you after 10 minutes. So these are the time markers or future time. Now you can use I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I will, we will, you will, they will, he will, she will, it will. Okay, and moreover, we can use I and we can use shall, okay, with I and we only. Shall I or shall we? We use shall I and shall we. Now here, we have more examples here. I am hungry now. I will eat a pizza. So you are in the present time and you are deciding that I will meet a pizza now. I will meet a pizza because I am hungry now. Now here, one more thing, where can we use shall? Shall we use for polite questions? Generally, we use shall for polite questions, for suggestions, or for what I can say. Some examples are here. Shall I shut the door? Shall I shut the door? So polite questions we use shall for polite questions. Okay, somebody's opinion or somebody's suggestion, and for polite questions we use shall. Shall I shut the door? Shall I shut the door? What is the meaning? Do you want me to shut the door? There is a, just to check the difference between shall and will. Shall I shut the door? Shall I shut the door? What is the meaning of shall I shut the door? Do you want me to shut it? So this is the thing. Will. Now you can see that, check the will. Will you shut the door? Will you shut the door? So here, I want you to shut the door. There is a difference between will and shall. Shall we use for polite, questions. Asking for, questions, we use shall. Okay, shall we dance? Shall we start? Shall we begin? Okay, these are the few, what I can say, questions, polite way of questions. Now, look at here. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, now here, contraction forms of the I will. I will, how can you write I will? I will, a contraction I'll. You will, you will. We will. we will. Contraction form, we can write in this way also. They will, they'll. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. It will. Now, contraction form also can be utilized in the different ways. So informal way, whenever we want informal way, we can use contraction form, informal way. Formal way, we have to use full form. We will play cricket. Example, we will play cricket. This is a formal way of, making sentence. We will play cricket. There is no contraction form. So you can notice that will is helping verb and V1 form is play. We will play cricket. So V1 form, a base form of the verb or first form of the verb, I have used here. Will plus V1 form. We will play cricket. Formal way of, making sentence. And the informal way, will play cricket. So this is contraction form, we plus will. So we can write using apostrophe and we will. So it will become will. So we will, we can write will. Contraction form of we will be will. We plus, apostrophe and double, will play cricket. This is informal way. Now, we will not play cricket. So formal way of making negative. So you can notice that I have used the word not in between helping verb will and main verb, play. When main verb V1 form is here, play, and this is helping verb will. So helping verb and main verb, or we can say modal auxiliary verb also. So this is helping verb or modal auxiliary verb. So we will play cricket. We will not play cricket. So not we can use or place in between will and play. We will not play cricket. So this is also formal way, because we are not making contraction or we are not writing contraction form. We will not play cricket. Okay, so here we won't play cricket. So another way of negative, we won't. Will not, the contraction form of will not, we can use won't, not want. Please make a note. We should pronounce it won't. Okay, so won't. We won't play cricket. Informal way. We won't play cricket. We will not play or we won't play. Both are same. So one is formal and one is informal. We will not play cricket. This is formal way of making negative sentence. And we won't play cricket. This is informal or friendly way. Okay, now next thing, will we play cricket? When we want to make question, so what we have to do, we have to switch over the words. What we have to do, just we will play cricket. Will we play cricket? We will. So switch over the words. Will we play cricket? Will we play cricket? This is a question. Yes or no question. So what are the possible answers? Possible answers are two, and I have given here two different ways of making possible answers. Will we play cricket? So answer is yes, we will. Yes, we will. This is formal way of giving answer. Yes, we will. So this is formal way. So I have written F here. Now informal way, yes, will. This is again, you can notice that this is a contraction form. We plus will. Yes, will. This is informal way. Next one, no, we will not. No, we will not. So this is again formal way of making sentence. Informal way, no, we won't. Won't is a contraction form of will not. Won't is a contraction form of will not. So we can write won't, W-O-N apostrophe T, won't. So we use this word won't for in informal situation. For informal language we use we won't. No, we won't. Will not or won't. Both are same. One is formal, one is informal. Now the last thing is WH questions. How to make WH questions? So already we have made one question. Will we play cricket? Will we play cricket? So same thing, this question, will we play cricket? I have written here, will we play cricket? Okay, will we play cricket? How to make WH questions? Very, very easy, very simple. Just we have to place one or two words before this question. Okay, will we play cricket? When will we play cricket? When will we play cricket? Will we play cricket? Where will we play cricket? Where will we Where will we play cricket? And then what is there? Will we play cricket? Same question. Now, when will we play cricket? Where will we play cricket? Why will we play cricket? How will we play cricket? How many times will we play cricket? Which game will we play? Which sport will we play? What will we play? So these are WH questions. WH questions. Okay, will we play cricket? क्या हम क्रिकेट खेलेंगे? Will we play cricket? क्या हम क्रिकेट खेलेंगे? When will we play cricket? हम क्रिकेट कब खेलेंगे? Where will we play cricket? हम क्रिकेट कहाँ खेलेंगे? Why will we play cricket? हम क्रिकेट क्यों खेलेंगे? How will we play cricket? हम क्रिकेट कैसे खेलेंगे? So these are all WH questions. Okay, so future simple, we use will, shall plus V1 form or base form or first form of the verb. So I will, we will, you will, they will, he will, she will, it will. Okay, we use shall with I and we. Okay, so where can we use shall? Shall we use for polite questions, to make questions. We use shall. Example, shall I shut the door? Shall we start our tuition? Shall we go for lunch? So these are the few examples which I have given or written here. So I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you for watching my videos.